An ERP business system designed for food and beverage manufacturers provides the framework needed to effectively manage every aspect of the food and beverage manufacturing business. According to the Panorama Consulting Solutions Manufacturing ERP report, of those organizations surveyed, the top reasons for ERP implementation are listed below. To better integrate systems across multiple locations, 22.3%. To standardize global business organizations, 21.9%. To replace an aging ERP or legacy system, 17.9%. To make employees' jobs easier, 11.2%. To ensure reporting, regulatory compliance, 10.4%. To position the company for growth, 9.2%. To improve working capital, 7.2%. Those organizations who choose to implement ERP reported the following results. Availability of information, faster information response time, 33.3%. Increased interaction across the enterprise, integration of business operations, processes, 23.1%. Improved interaction with customers, 12.8%. Reduced direct operating and/or laboring costs, 7.7%. Reduced IT maintenance costs, 7.7%. Improved lead time and improved inventory levels, 5.1%. Improved interaction with suppliers, 5.1%. No achieved benefit, 5.1%. Run a complete ERP solution. As experts in food and IT, we have integrated all aspects of your food business in one complete solution. Beyond ERP, a complete solution for you.